Hey now, what's going on? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for dropping in to hang with me for a bite. Look at all this goodness. So what this is, I have some jambalaya in the middle, and this is cornbread. Now the way I made it was I just put the cornbread, the mixture of course, in the skillet, put a bowl in the middle so nothing would bake inside of the circle. And then once I got done with the jambalaya, once the cornbread mix got done, I just scooped the jambalaya into the center of the cornbread. Doesn't it look pretty, y'all? I saw this done with chili. Somebody made chili and did it like this with the cornbread. I thought it was just so neat. So I just had to try it, and I had a box of this jambalaya mix that I was gonna make. So I said, hey, instead of just making a pot of chili, I'll go ahead and make this box of, I meant to bring the box in, the New Orleans jambalaya box mix. That's all I use. So, and I have some, I put some shrimp in here, and I put some turkey sausage in here. So yeah, that's what I have. So I figured I'd use this instead of doing it with chili. Maybe next time I'll try it with chili, y'all. Oh, this is so good. Got a little bit of kick to it. I should have sliced up a couple of cucumber to have something to cool my stomach, but I'll be all right. Y'all, this pan is still a little hot. Or I would pick it up and let y'all see it. Look at that. Drink on some Mountain Dew. Major Melon. Mountain Dew Zero, I should say. Mountain Dew Major Melon. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. That's the good stuff. Got some shrimp. Look at that steam. This is so good. Yep. Yeah, this is cute. And it's good. Eating your cornbread right along with your jambalaya. I think some people mix it up and put it in there, but this is just as good. I know I'm not going to eat this whole pan. What's everybody up to? Still morning here. It's what's today? Well, Wednesday, of course. Wednesday morning. I went to Salvation Army earlier. I usually get there like 9 o'clock soon as they open. Half off Wednesday. Where everything's half off except one certain color ticket. So when I went last week, I saw these vases that I wanted, because I'm gonna change up my colors once I go to well, once I move. So yeah, I was hoping they would still have them there, and they did. I left the box in the car, so I can't show y'all what it is, but I'll do a haul, reveal, whatever. Yep, they still had them, and I got a couple other items. It was like 4 things. It's like one of those metal urns, a smaller wide vase with a narrow top. What else? Another vase, a taller vase. It was something else. I know it's 4 items. 4 big items. But when I bring the box in, I'll record it and let y'all see what. Okay, sorry, I had to change my battery. Battery died. But yeah, like I was saying about the items I got from Salvation Army. Excuse me. This is just garnish. Fresh parsley for garnish. This is so good. I wish I could eat it all. Hot. Hot. I think I'm almost done, y'all. Getting full. I'm so green. Sorry. I don't know where my minutes are at since I changed the battery, so. Excuse me. I'm just gonna go ahead and close out now, I guess, and I will see y'all on the next one. Make sure you mask up. Always stay safe, y'all. Keep those hands clean. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Like this video if you like the video. comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye-bye.